Hello students, myself Dipti Kolle and I teach you chemistry subject. So from up to 5th you have a science subject, okay? But now from 6th standard you have a special 3 branches of science. You know what is the chemistry, physics and biology. So now I teach you chemistry subject. So now today we start first lesson nature of matter. Okay, so now you know you already studied in 5th class about the matter, their states. Okay, so now in this lesson also we have to study about the matter, that states of the matter and their molecular arrangement. Also we have to study about the elements, compounds, atoms and molecule. Okay, so now see on page number 9, okay, that picture are given here. That what is this? That teddy bear, tomatoes and that magnifier glass. Okay, so this is the this all are that in solid state. Okay, see, you know means all of that object take some place. Okay, means that has a mass that has a some mass and also volume. This is also one type of matter. Every in our daily lives we encounter there the different types of matters. Okay, so mass, volume, that matter has a mass and volume. Mass means what? Weight. Everybody has a weight. Everything has a weight. That teddy bears, tomato, magnifiers has also weight. So in our nature, anything that has a mass and occupy the space means that has a volume. Okay. Suppose we take some dusters and place on the table. That has a something mass and that also occupy the some place on the table. Means anything that has a mass and volume is called matter. What? It's called matter. Do you understood this? Means what the definition of matter? Anything that has a mass and occupying the space or that has a volume is called matters. You taking number of examples of that. Okay, see, means our bodies. Our bodies also one type of matter because we have also weight. We have also weight and our bodies also occupy the same place. See how I stand here, so I have also some occupy the space here. I have also weight. So you can write the different type of examples. Our bodies, trees, air. Air is one type of the gas. Gas also has a mass and volume. Okay, this is also matter. See, means trees, you can write it, air, body. These are the different examples of the matters. So in these chapters we learn about matter and let us start by learning about the different forms in which matter is exist. And you already studied in the 5th class. In which 3 form that matter is exist. What is that's called the states of matter. What? States of matter. Okay, state of matter. In our daily life we encounter different types of matter that existed in the solid, liquid, gas, and I think from 3rd class you studied it about the states of matter. The other 3 different types which are solid, second one liquid, and third one gas. Okay, so now we studied it one by one. Okay, means now today we start from solid. Solid is the states of matter. So you know their properties of solid. See, their solid that has a specific fixed shape and fixed volume. A solid has a fixed shape and fixed volume. Okay, what? Fixed shape and fixed volume. Fixed shape and volume. Okay, solid has a fixed shape and volume. So you know, when we cut any solid, suppose apple, when we cut the apple, what happened? Its states not change, its shape is only, means it crush it. Okay, it's crush, melt, but will retain its shape after that. Okay, see, bricks, glass bottles, these are also examples of the solids. You can write a number of examples in the solids. Means solid what? A solid has a fixed shape and volume. Okay, second one liquid. See, liquid has a fixed volume and neither fixed shape. Fixed volume but not fixed shape. See, liquid is the fixed volume, has a fixed volume but not fixed shape. How? You know, suppose you take the one glass of water, okay, and that pour into the bowl. What happened? Only their shape changes, but their volume is fixed. It's not more or less. Okay, means liquid is a fixed volume but not a fixed shape. Means liquid take the shape of any container. Okay, so when you pour the liquid in a bottle, then it take the shape of liquid bottle. Sorry. So you can write the number of examples here, that water, petrol, diesel. Okay, this is the number of examples of liquid. And last one, gas. Gas means air. Air, you know, air is the mixture of the gases. Okay, in air, that nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, there are the different types of gases are present. Okay, so gas has a neither fixed shape nor a volume. What? Neither fixed shape nor fixed volume. Okay, gas has a neither fixed shape nor a fixed volume. So means that has no fixed shape, not fixed volume. Means it take the shape of any places or any container. Okay, suppose in our room there is a gases, means air is present. It take the shape of that room. Okay, means their volume is also changes, their shape is also changes. So in this way, there's three states of matters we learn in this lesson, that states of matter: solid, liquid, gas. I again repeat. See, solid, fixed shape and volume. Liquid has a fixed volume but not fixed shape, and gas has a neither fixed shape and nor a fixed volume. Is it okay? So now that you know, LPG cylinder gas is also one type of the gases, example of gases. When that gas is leaked, then what happened? First of all, we smell the gas in the kitchen. Then afterward, it adjoining room. Then that smell is with even reach the neighbors. So it is better. Is a good thing because it makes us aware of the danger. Okay. So now that you know about that matter is made up of the different types of particles. Okay, that matters are made up of different types of particles, and let us find out about the matter consists of the different types of particles like the molecules, atoms and ion. Okay, so that about the particulate nature of matters we will discuss in a next period. Okay, so if you have any problems, then send the messages on that group. Okay, so and everybody do the study on times and read the lesson carefully. Okay, thank you.